guys! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you the packages that I got for the month of May and then beginning of June. Yes, I already filmed this video, but unfortunately while editing it, I'm not satisfied on how the video looked like. First, because I don't have sleep at all when I film that. Even right now, wala naman din akong tulog kasi galing sa work kanina. Pero just the quality of the video, like, sabi ko, no. I'm still learning every time I film and it's just not right. It looks like I look super tired. The makeup is not good and it's just a mess. Products that I will be showing you is not in the box anymore because after I filmed the video last time, I showed all the boxes already kasi sabi ko gusto ko na magkaroon ng space. So, after ko mag-film that time, nilagay ko na siya sa mga drawer. Like, ito galing sa giveaway, ito galing sa mga brands na gusto akong mag-review ng products nila. So, yung mga boxes nila, wala na. That I want to show it to you kasi kung paano ko siya buksan. Pero wala na tayong magagawa. Natapo na yon, naglaho na yon, and let's just move on. So, I will just start with the products na nabuksan ko na last time, na wala ng boxes. So, mabilis lang to since wala na siyang box. So fucking done with all the games you play. So, this is the first PR na brand na talaga naman who trusted me, who trusted my work, and I really appreciate how they put the effort. If only I can just show you how the box looks like. It's really nice. It has a lot of shredded paper all over it para mas ma-surprise ka kung anong laman ng box mo. So, this is the Marc Anthony True Professional. This is the and you can visit them at Instagram at Marc Anthony HAIRCARE or hashtag Marc Anthony HAIRCARE. So, it's really easy to find them. So, the theme of this hair product is a cocktail theme. So, let's start with this New Beach Wave cocktail. This is the texture and volume, the purple one. And this creates sexy tousled beach waves. Ganun mabasahin. So, ito yung isa. And then, they sent the second one. This is the volume cocktail for thick and full hair. And then, the last one is the slick and straight dual styling smoothing cream and glossing lotion. And then, they sent us a paper like this. Yung parang mag-order ka talaga ng cocktail drink sa mga bar. And it has all the information in here and here. New styling cocktails recipe card. Next is the brand Double Dare Spa. And as you guys can see, I'm already wearing the famous headbands. I know you guys see this a lot sa Instagram. It comes with pink color, black color. Ano pa bang mga kulay nakita ko? This is the popular in the pink one. Pero I know there's more color. Siguro. So this is the OMG Pulling Gel Kit. And here is the product inside. Look like. Ito yung parang pang scrub niya. And here is the product. I love how this looks super nice. Like velvet siya, oh. Super nice. Include another one. This is the OMG Peeling Gel. And this has lemon for exfoliating, papaya for pore tightening, acerola for moisturizing, hyaluronic acid for moisturizing, allantoin for protecting, and vitamin C and E for brightening. So, ito naman yung itsura ng package niya sa loob. Thank you, doubles there. And here is their popular step 1, step 2 detox bubbling microfiber mask with the step 1, which is the detox bubbling mask. And then this is the step 2, which is the microfiber mask. So you're supposed to use this, and after, ito naman to follow up. So yes, thank you, double there, Spa, for my OMG headband that is super cute and all the good stuff for my skin. Next is from the seller from Instagram that wants me to review their product. I will just put their Instagram handle here, and so you'll be updated if they have new products in store. So this one, you guys know how I love Miss Kiss eyelashes. She always send me a good pair of eyelashes whenever there's a new style. So she sent me this one. It's the same packaging as the other ones, pero iba naman yung eyelashes. This one is more into like natural look. Kasi yung mga nakaraan parang dramatic. Ito sobrang natural lang. And I'm excited to bring this to Vegas with me because this will be super perfect. And I love how easy to wear this. That talagang ang dali niyang kabit, and then ang dali rin niyang linisin. So yes, thank you, Miss Kiss Eyelash. This is 100% handmade mink lashes, and they have Instagram, which is Miss Kiss Eyelash. So next naman, this is from the Valuemaker _cosmetics. I don't know if I said it right, pero I will just put their Instagram in here so you guys can follow them. They sent me a bunch of makeup stuff to try. And I think this is an indie brands, or they just it's a startup makeup brands. It's from the brand Nice Face. You can order them on Amazon. It's the same as the cardboard. Yan, pareho lang sila ng design. And here is the color look like. Super pretty. And they sent us 2 shimmer stick in the shade 1 and 2, I think. Oh shoot. It melted. Ang init kasi this time eh. Pero, ayan, carry boom. Oh my God. Nag-melt siya, besh. OMG. Ang messy na tuloy. Pero yan yung tsura niya. Super creamy. And this will be super perfect under your foundation para natural glow. Ang messy na tuloy, nag-melt. Ang init na kasi dito guys sa California. I hope the other one didn't melt though. Last one that they sent me is their liquid lipstick. This is the Lasting Matte 4-color matte lip gloss. It's from a indie brand as well on Instagram. The name of their brand is Adept Cosmetics. And they sent me 2 travel Adept palette in the shade black and blush. Because at first I thought, why they sent me 2 same thing with different color? Pero no guys, there's a twist. So let's start with this color blush. This is a vegan synthetic leather exterior, satin utility storage pouch, single-sided magnetic interior, metal frame and clasp, satin finish divider. So, ganito siya. May lalagyan siya ng brush dyan. And when you open this up, here is the magnetic interior. Now, you can put all your singles in here, like single shadows na mag-i-stick sa magnet. And ito yung itsura niya, the color. Love it. The second one is the black one, which is the vegan synthetic leather exterior, double-sided magnetic interior, metal frame and glass, satin finish divider. So, ito naman, double-sided siya na magnet. Dito, pwede ka maglagay ng single eyeshadow. And when you open this up, another single eyeshadow. So, that's the difference. Yung isa, one-sided, yung isa, double-sided. And then, they sent me a 2 palette. This is the Face Ambience Mineral Glow Palette. Never tested on animals, paraben-free, fragrance-free, and mineral oil-free. And then the other one is the Magnetic Face and Cheek Palette. It's the same thing. Never tested on animals, paraben-free, fragrance-free, and oil-free. Mineral oil-free. So this one, I believe that you can remove it since it has a slot like that. So you can easily remove it and transfer it to the bag or the pouch that they provided. And then the other one is, let's see if it's the same. Yeah, it's the same thing. There's a slot as well, so you can easily just pop it out and put it in your Adept magnetic pouch. Yes, thank you Adept Cosmetics for trusting me and for sending me all these goodies. And I'm excited to use them in one of my videos in the future. Next one is from the HomeQ. They sent me this very cute and big na parang pencil case or pencil holder or organizer, but I don't go to school anymore, so I can use this for my travel brushes because it's really good. Mga slots like that for the pen, pero I can put all my eye brushes there, and then my sponge here para breathable, and then pwede rin dito, and then a space here. Maybe I can put my foundation. Pag nagta-travel light ka lang, gusto mo lang na may something na lalagyan ng makeup mo, I can use this one. And thank you, HomeQ, for sending me this to review, and I'm excited to use this one. Hindi nga lang gagamitin for school stuff, but I'll use it for my travel makeups. Na tayo, this is from Instagram as well. This is from Miaadora. This is their 3D fiber lashes, 3D fiber mascara, and ang ganda ng packaging nito. Ay, look. It says 2-step fiber mascara. You may step 1 and then step 2, and then after step 2, go back to step 1. And they also sent me a Miaadora Unshakable High Pigment Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner that I'm currently using and testing. And so far, I like it. It doesn't smudge. It's easy to use. And you can draw a thin and thick line. It depends on you. Super good. Thank you, Miaadora, for sending me this good stuff. Next na tayo. This is the one that I received from SoPost. Ang dami nagtatanong sa akin dito sa DMs if I still have the link. I don't have the link anymore because I just saw this while browsing sa Facebook ko. Ganun kasi yun pag mahilig ka sa mga giveaways and stuff, automatic sa Facebook mo may lalabas na advertisement like that. So I saw this one from the brand La Mer. This is super expensive and they pronounce it La Mer. La Mer yata. So when you open it up, mukha lang siyang malaki sa picture, pero hindi siya malaki. But not bad because for sure mahal pa rin to. So here is the box, looks like super cute. This is their popular La Mer, the moisturizing cool gel cream. Super cute, you guys. So, sobrang popular nito and sobrang expensive din daw nito. So, I don't know if when I'm gonna use it, maybe when I travel. So, I feel beautiful naman during my travel. So, yes, thank you, Lamer and SoPost for sending me this. SoPost, I think, or my friend on Instagram sent me the link. This is the Bulgari Omnia Pink Sapphire, the sample size. Ito siya. Ay, tumapon na po kami. Oh my God. Ang bango. Smells good. Kasi natapon ko na, guys. Ooh, smells so good. Smells so good. Kaso hindi siya puno. Nagreklamo pa yan. You can always ask at Sephora for some samples. Pero I like that one na binibigay nila because the bottle has the name too. So, wala lang. Collectibles lang. Package last 3. The one that I got yesterday. That one. Oh no, I have 4. But the box, I'm using the box right here in front of me. I'm using it as a stand of my tripod kasi masyado mababa. And ginamit ko siya. So, 4 more boxes.